Hello friends, see you again with me Supercar. In this video I will review the 2023 BMW M2. Watch the video until it's finished so you know what is being upgraded to the 2023 BMW M2 car. Continue to support the Supercar channel by giving likes, comments, subscribing, and tapping the bell so that you get other latest car videos. The new BMW M2 2023 is eligible to receive a wide selection of factory-developed M performance parts. The list of add-ons announced by the Munich-based automaker includes carbon fiber trim, forged wheels, and a lighter exhaust system. The BMW M leverages its 5 decades of racing experience to provide future M2 owners with many customization options. Starting with the exterior, the company designed a carbon fiber body kit that includes a front splitter, inserts for the front air intakes, side skirts, rear spoiler, and rear diffuser. M Performance titanium and carbon fiber exhaust tips and red M branded toe straps add the finishing touches to the look. For the interior of the BMW M2, which features targeted upgrades to its sports car cockpit. The carbon fiber/Alcantara M Performance interior trim panels offered in combination with Alcantara knee pads amplify the race car aura in the cabin. The intricately handcrafted interior trim panels are made of open porous matte-coated carbon fiber and feature the M Performance badge in brushed aluminum. The BMW M2 features the same layout as the regular 2 Series coupe. Passenger space is plentiful for front seat riders, but those relegated to the rear might wish you had a 3 Series sedan. The design is vibrant and the front seats feature dramatic struts and an illuminated M logo. Opt for the carbon fiber package and a layer of goods is draped over some of the M2's cabin surfaces, and the sports seats are swapped for more aggressive ones that are said to save 24 pounds. Infotainment and connectivity. The digital monolith of the display informs drivers of every bit of data they may need. The 12.3-inch display behind the wheel serves as a reconfigurable gauge screen and transitions seamlessly to the larger 14.9-inch touchscreen that provides access to the iDrive 8 M2 infotainment system. Navigation is standard, and the heads-up display and 5G connectivity are both optional. Safety features and driver assistance. All M2s are equipped with basic driver assistance features such as automatic emergency braking and adaptive cruise control, but if you want more advanced technology, such as stop-and-go features for cruise control, you will have to pay extra and opt for an automatic transmission as well. Key security features: standard automatic emergency braking, standard line departure warning, standard adaptive cruise control.